Okay, we're ready.
Okay, now, the first step of a rotating thing is like this.
So what's that smallest circle?
It's a moon. Moon, 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 moon.
Liam, what's the the medium-sized circle?
No, I want to tell you what this is.
Okay, then what's that one?
Sun.
Okay, and then what's the last circle?
Earth with an ocean liner.
Okay.
All Earths have to have an ocean liner.
Okay, so tell me how that thing works. How does everything orbit around each other? How does that work? So,
Watch.
what goes around the sun?
Planet.
The Earth goes around the sun, and what goes around the Earth? Okay. Now what happens when the planets all line up? The moon and the Earth line up with the sun. Then what happens?
Solar eclipse.
You get an eclipse, don't you? Do you want to show how your eclipse thing works?
So, it goes like this.
What's that one called?
Which one?
Where the moon is in the middle between the Earth and the sun. What kind of eclipse is that?
Solar.
Yep, that's the solar eclipse. Now what if it's the other way and the moon is on the other side of the Earth and it's pointing away? What kind of eclipse is that?
Lunar.
A lunar, right. And what happens when they move in between the sun and either the moon or the Earth? What happens? What happens in a solar eclipse, for example? That's when the moon is in the middle. What happens to us on Earth? What do we see? Do you remember? That's what's going to happen tomorrow, right? A shadow. Where does the shadow fall? On the Earth, right. Now when it's the other way, when the moon is far away from the sun, in between, and the Earth is in between, the lunar eclipse, yeah, what do we see on Earth then? Well, then what happens? Where do we see the shadow?
Into the first eclipse.
The lunar eclipse, we see the shadow on the Earth or the moon? Which one? No, that's a solar eclipse. We see the shadow on the moon because the Earth blocks the sunlight, doesn't it? And so we see the shadow on the moon, right?
That's where daylight comes from.
From the sun, yes. Okay. Do you want to show how your eclipse simulators work that Daddy made? Okay, show it. Okay.
Oh, mine broke. Mine had just broke.
Yours broke. Okay, we'll have to fix that. We'll fix that after we're done with our video.
Wait, the flashlight.
Oh, we forgot to get the flashlight. Well, you're going to just have to explain it without the flashlight, Maisie.
Hey, there's the tape.
Yeah, we'll use the tape to fix Liam's thing. Okay, come, Maisie, let's use yours since yours is still functioning. Can you explain how it works? So which one represents the sun? The purple? Okay. And you have a pink sky with a purple sun? Okay. Then what? What happens? Then the moon moves across, doesn't it? And blocks out the sun. Yep, just like that. Liam's works the same way, doesn't it? When it's not broken. So,
What it does is when
you know, you've got a blue sky and an orange sun. And let's see if I can get it to work at all. Well, kind of. Anyway, we'll fix this after. Okay, so that's one of the things for science we learned this week, right? What else did we do? We made cookies today, didn't we?
Yes, yes.
Eclipse cookies, didn't we? Alright, I think we're done with our video.
Are you done with everything?
Yeah, this is our video for the week, our recap. Okay? Alright, can you say bye?
Bye.
Do you want to say bye too, Maisie?
Bye. Bye.
And this has been Science with 5-year-olds.
Bye.
Bye.